Let's move to next question. This is the question. Pause the video and try to solve this question on your own. This question belongs to the tangent and the circle. So let's approach this question. In this question, a circle is given with the center as O and three tangents are given. These are the three tangents. The point of contact is A, E and C. Point of contact, the point at which the tangent is touching the circle. Tangent is a line segment that touches the circle at only one point. Here we are having three tangents and these tangents are touching the circle at the point A, C and E. Further, AE is given as a diameter. AE is given as diameter. This is important. It means AE is a straight line. If you observe the figure, OA is the radius and OE is also the radius. We are having two radius. It does not mean they are in a straight line. The two radius can also look like this, slightly twisted, not in a straight line. But here in the question it is given that AE is a straight line. It means the radius OA and OE are coming in a straight line. This is important. Further in this question a quadrilateral is forming, the quadrilateral AEDB, and we have to show at least one pair of the opposite side of AEDB is parallel. If you observe this quadrilateral, AB and ED are the two opposite sides and AE and BD are the two opposite sides. And we have to show any of the one opposite sides are parallel to each other. So let's approach this question. Here the fundamental that will be used is the tangent and the radius are perpendicular to each other. If we talk about this tangent and this radius, both will be perpendicular to each other. This angle will be equal to 90 degrees. This is the concept of the tangent. The tangent and the radius are perpendicular to each other. These concepts of the tangent belong to the chapter circle. We are having a PDF of the formula and concept list. Check out the link in the description. Got it? Similarly, if we take this tangent and this radius will also be perpendicular to each other. So this angle will be a 90-degree angle. Got it? And if we apply the concept of the transversal, if we take these two tangents as a two line segment and AE as a transversal, let's take these three line segment out of the figure. Here if you observe, these two angles are equal to 90 degree. The addition of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 90, it is 180 degree. It means these two angles are supplementary. And in case of transversal, if these two angles are supplementary, then we can say these two line segments are parallel to each other. This is the concept of the transversal. The interior angles on the same side of the transversal, if they are supplementary, then the line segments will be parallel to each other. So we can say these two line segments are parallel to each other. Got it? And once we got these two line segments as parallel to each other, their component or subpart will also be parallel to each other. That is AB and ED, that are the component of these two line segments or the tangent, are also parallel to each other. So we got AB as parallel to ED. That is the answer of this question. Got it? We have done with this question. So the concept that we have used to solve this question is the concept of tangent and the radius. The tangent and radius are always perpendicular to each other. And once we got these two angles as 90 degree, we have simply applied the concept of the transversal and we got the two opposite tangents as parallel to each other. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you very much for being with CREATA Classes. Check out the description for various links to various resources. If the content is helpful, like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you very much and best of luck.